Hello, who are you? Go away, I have to take out my car. Why are you sitting here? Who are you?
Sir, I'm Ria. Can I get your phone once? I need to make an urgent call. Hello, Mom? I'm Ria here. Yes, tell me. Why did you call me? Mom, I want to come back to home. Can you send me 1000 rupees? Money? Now why do you need money? Because you wanted to do something on your own? Now go and do something by your own. Mom, they were fraudsters. They were fraud or what? I don't know. But yes, no need to come back to home. Where are you? Stay there only. But what will I do here? You will know better what you will do next. You should have thought this before leaving your home. Mom, listen to me. Hello?
Why do you need money?
I want to go back to home.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rajasthan and I called my mother for money.
Then?
Mom refused.
Mom refused for money.
She's my stepmother. She's not my real mother.
By the way, what did you come here for?
Someone gave me offer of job. They told me come to Gurgaon, food accommodation and they will give me 15,000 salary.
Then?
Then what? They told me you have to pay 5,000 rupees for job application. I gave them. And the number which they gave, it's not reachable and their address is not correct. So now I don't have money to go back to home.
No one asks for money to keep you on a job. If someone is asking you for money to get a job, that means he is a fraud. And you shouldn't have leave your house and come.
I can't stay at home. At home, mom doesn't allow me to study or to go out. Also, she makes me work like a servant. I thought I'll come out, I'll do a job, will complete my studies.
And your dad?
Father is no more. He left us 1 year ago.
Then what have you thought?
I will spend my day. But I don't know about night. Now I don't have money to go back to home and I can't stay even in a hotel.
Look, I'll give you money to go to home. How much money do you want?
1,000.
You keep this 1500 rupees.
I just need 1,000.
You keep it. If you have to eat or drink something on the way, then you can use it.
Thank you so much, sir.
By the way, you tell me one thing. If you go back home, your mother will trouble you again?
Now she will trouble me more and she won't allow me to come inside the home.
Okay, by the way, you want a job, right?
Yes.
You do one thing. You keep this card. You come to this address tomorrow. And you keep this money. You continue your studies with this. And I'll arrange a part-time job for you in my office. Stay in a hotel or PG today. By tomorrow, I'll arrange a place for you to stay.
But why are you doing this for me?
Your house has become hell for you. And this money is nothing to get anyone out of hell. Keep it.
Thank you so much and I'll return this money as soon as possible.
No need to return it. If you become something in the future, help someone in need.
Thank you so much, sir.
Come on time tomorrow.